Okay, now today we are going to learn how to apply a theme and how to customize it. Then we are going to learn how to add a post in our blog, and also we are going to learn how to add a page in our blog. So firstly, we're going to use the theme menu. So select this one, and here you may see the current theme which is applied in my blog. So I'm going to change it. Which one? We're going to use this one. We have two different options here. We have apply to blog and also customize. If you want to apply it, you may apply it directly, but in this case, I'm going to customize it according to my needs. So here we have some different options. The first one is the themes. The themes where you may find out all the themes listed here. Then we have the background. So into the background, you may change the color of your theme, or you may also change the background image. Okay, as you can see, the background image in this case is this gray color here. It is a solid color. So I'm going to change this one. And which one? Let's select this one. Done. And as you can see, the background of my blog is changed. We have adjust width, so you may increase or just decrease the size of the block. We have the layout. The layout is the same as the one that we have discussed last hour. So for this case, I'm going to choose this one. Here we have advanced, and you may change the font of your text. You may change the color, you may change the size, and also you may change the format, bold or italic. So in this case, I'm going to choose this one. So I'm done with the design of my blog. So I'm going to put apply blog. And if you go to themes, you may see that the theme of my blog has changed. So let's go back to Blogger. Now we are going to learn how to add a post. So posts, we have new post, and now I'm going to create a post about ICT, okay, information communication technology. So in this part here, I'm going to use this text. Okay, so this is the information for the first post on my blog. And what will be the post title here? The post title will be information and communication technology. So let's select this one, copy, and let us paste it. Okay, now we are going to change the properties of the text, and also we are going to learn how to add a link, how to add images, how to add videos or different sections in one post. So firstly, I'm going to use this option here. So this option here corresponds to the font size. Okay, so we have 5 different font size, and you may change one of them. So if you want large, or I'm going to put the normal. Then we have this option here. So this option here stands for the format of the text. In this case, I'm going to put a title or a heading. So here, let's write ICT, and for this case here, I'm going to put as the format the heading, okay? Because this is the heading or the title of my post. Then we have the format of the text. So it may be bold, italic, underlined, or strike through. So let's try each of them. So information and technology and communication technology, we are going to put bold. For extensional, we are going to put italics. And for information here, we are going to put underline. Now, the strike through will be for this one. Okay, so do you see the difference between the bold, italics, underlined, and also the strike through? Then we have the possibility to change the color. Okay, so let's select ICT and select the text color. We may change the color of our text. Let us put this one, and it is done. Here we have, near with the text color, we have the text background color. Now, what is the usage of text background color? Text background color is the same as the highlighted, okay? The highlighted option in Microsoft Office package. So, if you select the text, choose a color for your background of your text, and let's select this one. As you can see, only ICT has a background color. Okay, so only ICT is highlighted. So let's do it like this. And what should we do next? We are going to use a link. So we are going to add a link. Let's go here. Select the link. Now, here we have two different options. We may display a web address, or we may choose an email address. Okay, so when you click there, you may go to your email account. And in this case, we are going to use a web address. So the web address for my case will be www.google.com. Okay, and the text to display, so the text which will be displayed for this link will be Google link. Okay, and as you can see, the Google link is here. The other one is inserting an image. So how can we insert an image in a post? So by selecting this option here, you may have different options to add an image in your blog. So the first one is to upload. So you may upload an image that you have already downloaded on your device. The second one is from this blog. Okay, so you may have uploaded previously different images. We may use from Google album from archive, okay, which is already connected with this one. And we have from your phone, from your webcam, and also from a URL. So in this case, I'm going to use from a URL. Let's take this one, copy, and paste it here. As you can see, the URL is correct, and we may add this image. So add selected, and as you can see, the image is here. So when you select the image, you have some different options here. The first one is about the size of your image. We have the small, we have the medium, we have the large, we have the extra large, and we have the original size. Okay, so let us go back to our original size. Then we have the alignment of the image. We have left, center, and right. Left, center, and also the right. So in this case, let us put to the center. We have add a caption. Okay, so a title for our image. In this one, let's put picture 1. Okay. Remove the caption. So if you want to remove this name, select here, remove caption, and the caption is removed. We have the properties here. So if you select the properties, we have the title text, we have also the alternate text. So the title text will be the text in which, when you go through, your image will be displayed, and the alternate text will be displayed on the cases where the image cannot be displayed for a specific reason. So in this case, I'm going to write the first post. And here I'm going to put image cannot be displayed. Okay. And now when the pointer go through, okay, you have this text here, image of the first post. So if you go to the properties, the title text was image of the first post. So, okay. Or you may just remove your picture. Now, let us learn how to add a video in this case. So, insert a video. We have 3 options here. Upload, just to upload the video from your device. We have from the YouTube, you take the URL of your video, and also my YouTube videos. So in this case, I'm going to use from YouTube. So okay, let's go here. And this is the video that I'm going to add. So copy, let's go here, back, right click, paste, and when you search it, you may find out the video from edX. So select this one, select, and the video is already added in our post. Then we have the insertion of special characters. So when you click here, you have two different options. So when you click in the first one, okay, you may choose the symbol, you may choose the emoji, you may choose punctuation, and so on. So in this case, let's choose the symbol. For the symbol, you may use arrows, as you can see, control pictures, currency, for example, into the currency. Okay, let's select which one. Let's select this one, and it is already added on our post. Okay, as you can see, the symbol is already added. Okay, now we have this option here, which is called alignment. So the alignment is the position of your text, in this case, of our post. So let's select the text, and we may put it left, we may put it center, right, or justify. In my case, I'm going to left it as justify. So select this one and put it on the center. Now, for this text, I'm going to use some lists. Okay, so I'm going to put with different lists, with different points, this text. So we have two different options here. We have the numbered list and the bullet list. So I'm going to put like this, my text, and select the text. If you want, you may put with numbers. In my case, I'm going to put the bullet list. Okay, very good. It's okay. And here we have the quote. So if you want to add any quote or just remove formatting, for example, I'm going to remove the formatting. I'm going to put it at its original design. So select the text and remove formatting. Okay. Now let's remove this one. I'm going to put white. Let's change it like this. Also, we may change the size, and in this case, I'm just going to delete. I'm going to delete the video. Okay, so I'm going to put only my picture on my post. So labels. Okay, in this one, I'm going to write ICT and save it, publish. As you can see, into the post we have a published. Okay, we have one. So the first post, we have three different options here: edit, view, delete. If you go to edit, you may re-edit your post, and if you go to view, you are going to view how your information or how your post will be displayed on your blog. Okay. And the last one is delete. So if you want to delete it, just press this one and it will be deleted. Now we have to learn how to add pages. So select pages, new page, and this page will be responsible. This page will be responsible for the advantages or disadvantages of technology in our economy. So I'm going to put as a name this one, and at the first page I'm going to add some information. So the information of this page will be regarding the impact of technology in our economy. So this is the information, and I'm going to change the design of this text. So improving communication and collaboration is one of the first advantages of our of technology in our economy. So for this reason, I'm going to put it as heading, or we may remove it and put subheading. Okay, it will be better. Subheading again, and the last one is also subheading. Okay, here let's write impact of technology in our economy. Okay, alignment, center, and let us put it heading. Let's change this one. Okay, and we're going to select the text and we're going to put it justify. Now the subheadings, I'm going to use this green here. Let's use this green. Okay. Now, for the information which is part of each subheading, I'm going to apply italic. Let's put italics. Okay. And the last one. Okay, perfect. Now, I'm going to add an image. Okay, so if you want, you may add an image, picture, and let's change this URL. And in my case, I'm going to use, let's copy this URL here, paste it, and as you can see, the URL is correct, add selected, and the image will be displayed here. Okay. Now we may also change the color. Okay, let us put it like this. So publish, firstly, save, publish, and we may go to view our blog. So view the blog, and here is the first post. Okay, here is the first post that we created together. Now here at the web pages, as you can see, only home is displayed, so only the first one, the first page is displayed. For this reason, we need to change some details here. So let's press edit, and as you can see here, we have the pages details, the properties. So in this case, I have selected only home because only the home page was created. So in this case, I'm going also to add the advantages and disadvantages of technology in our economy in order to be displayed here. So I selected this one. If you want, you may change the order of your pages, but in this case, home will be the first, and save it. And as you can see, the blog is updated, and here you may find out also the second page. If you select here, okay, you may find the second page of my blog.